ABC 10 News Pinpoint Weather Super 7-Day Forecast.
Well, the strongest storm of the season is only hours away, and it's not going to miss anyone in San Diego. And it's packing a punch as well. I'm talking rain, snow, thunderstorms, and strong winds. So the best chance for those thunderstorms are going to be today into Wednesday west of the mountains. And also along with it are several advisories, including a high wind advisory and high surf. So let's talk about the winds right now. So as I roll the futurecast forward, you can see some areas along the coast picking up gusts of up to 36 miles an hour, as well as some areas along the mountains. It is going to calm down tomorrow, but again pick up by Wednesday. So do keep that in mind, especially for those high profile vehicles out on the roadways. Now this is a look at the big picture. So this storm is pretty much hitting everywhere along the west coast. It's picking up some moisture along the Pacific and picking up some cold air from the northwest. So that's why it's expected to do a lot of damage for us here in San Diego. So as I roll the futurecast forward up until 9:30, that's when we can expect the first round of light to moderate rainfall. So it's not going to be the highest impact, but as I roll it forward to early afternoon by around 1:30, that's when we can expect the first band of heavy rainfall with the chance of those thunderstorms to enter from the coast. It's going to make its way east, and then by 3 p.m. is when it's going to envelop the rest of the county, moving towards the mountain areas. So it's going to calm down for a bit late tonight, but Tuesday morning we're expecting another round of heavy rainfall around 2 to 3 a.m. and then another storm system is going to be entering the picture from Wednesday evening into the rest of the week. As far as rainfall totals, once it's all said and done after Wednesday, we're expecting about 1.5 inches to about 3 inches of rain no matter where you are. So I'm tracking two different models here, but it is expected to close in on our yearly average, putting us at surpassing 10 inches of rain so far on this water year. So looking at those 7-day rain chances, you can see it starts to dip after Thursday, but there is another storm behind this initial one that we're going to keep a close eye on the closer we get to Thursday and Friday. Temperature wise though, we are looking chilly this morning. 50s along the coast, 45 degrees in Ramona. We're warming up ever so slightly along the coast, high 50s in the coast and inland spots, 47 degrees in Julian. And taking a look at the 7-day forecast. So like I mentioned earlier, there are a number of advisories, including high winds and high surf. So the waves up to 12 feet are expected along the coast. So keep in mind that there is potential for some coastal flooding, especially for those low-lying areas along Mission Beach, PB, and also in Mission Valley. Now in the inland 7-day forecast, you can see those overnight lows are going to be very chilly. In the mountain forecast, some snow is expected anywhere around 5,000 feet or higher. So areas like Julian and Big Bear are expecting some snow.